Hi everyone, in this video we will see how to use AI with Excel. So the easiest way to do that is to add an add-in within Excel. So to do that you go to file count, you see the section here get add-ins. So this is click on that. So from here you can choose the various add-ins that are available. So I'll say AI aided formula editor. So you see AI aided formula editor, just add it and follow the steps to add the add-in. So I already have added in my Excel. So once you do that, here you see the AI aided formula editor tab. There you go and select AI formula editor, AI generator. You just give a sentence in English like what you want to do. This add-in will generate the formula which you can then use within the spreadsheet. Say sum of A2 to B16. To submit gives me this formula, sum of A2 to B16. Copy this or use this arrow key, so it gives me the formula sum of A2 to B16. Similarly, you can say give me the maximum number in the range A2 to B16. Let's say submit. So it gives you the formula. So I can copy the formula directly here, or I can just say this option, write the formula to the selected cell, click on that, and it gives me 15, which is the maximum of all these numbers. Similarly, you can think of various other scenarios, and you don't have to remember the formula. Just instruct it in plain English, and it will give you the relevant formula which you can then use in the spreadsheet. So this is how you can use AI within Excel. Thanks for watching the video.